Hello everyone, this is Mike Lotsenizer with Dad Life Fishing Adventures and Reece Life Dad Life. And hey, we are here at Lake Webster for our final try at catching a muskie this year. We are hoping to put a big toothy critter in the kayak. Let's see where we go. All right, look at that. Look at that, guys. Looking beautiful. Kayak's all ready to go. Let's hit it. There we go. We're out on the water, guys. On we go. Opening the door to the future. A lot of water flowing through today. More than last time. Well, we're out here to the area that we want to hit like crazy, so if it's this big wide open area here, a little bit out, a little bit in. Our focus of the day. Move to the deep water. Move to the shallower area where we are right now. Let's see what we do. Oh, shoot, muskie. Oh, shoot. Just had a mega follow, guys. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Ah! Fish on! Oh. This is a big fish. Oh, he hit on. All right, we gotta get the. Whoa! This is it. This is it. That is a big fish. Oh no! Ah! It was there. Oh shoot. Fish, fish, fish. There he is again. Saw him again. See there? Man. Fish, 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 fish. Second pull. It's happening right here. What? Yeah, I had one. Lost it at the side of the boat.
Nice. Can't imagine catching a muskie on that boat.
It was. Oh shoot. Saw him again. Lazy on that one. Well, I know why I lost that fish now. Even look. Busted a hook off treble. Busted one of the prongs. Hey everyone, we're off the water. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment, and we will have more fun together out on the water.